the symbols manager is where you can import symbols into your project. So on the drafting tab, there's a symbols manager. You can see there's some existing symbols within the project that are selected here. And you can go out and get other symbols from other resources. So if you click on the button here, you can go to the program data Trimble CAD styles, this symbol.cym, which is a Trimble or a TGO symbol library. And you can see that there's a bunch of symbols that are available. So if you click on the power pole or the PP here, I can add that to my project. You can also pull in from other resources. So if I was to switch this to a CAD file or a DXF file, I can come in and go to the location for where my symbols are, and you can see here I can grab this drawing file that happens to have maybe some drainage manholes, some catch basins, some storm manholes, or other symbols that I can use in my project as well. So if I want to use this one, I can insert that and use that in my project.